Today we have Kerry Neighbors from Laversab who has come here to show us how easy it is to use the ARTS-7000 to test aircraft radios and transponders on this Embraer Phenom.
Thanks, Tristan. Today we'll show you how to quickly set up the ARTS-7000. The ARTS is capable of testing the NavCom, ALT, transponder, and TCAS systems on the aircraft. It also has several built-in tools like VSWR meter, a frequency counter, and a GPS simulator. And we have some new capabilities coming out like CPDLC, ARINC 429, a radio altimeter testing. Today we'll start with the ILS test and then do an ADS-B out test.
Sounds great. Can you show us how to set up the ARTS-7000?
The first step is to put the tester close to the aircraft, turn it on, and connect it to your tablet. Then position your antennas or couplers and you're good to go. The ARTS-7000 has a removable 8-hour battery, and it also accepts line power, so you can use it to test multiple aircraft in a day.
Oh, so you position the ARTS outside of the aircraft, and then you take a tablet inside the flight deck to do your testing. Okay, Kerry, let's jump in the flight deck and test the ILS system on our Phenom here.
You can set up the ILS test from the ILS test page in the ARTS. It's very simple to change any parameters like the frequency or the power. Once the aircraft is ready, all you need to do is hit the Start Test button and you should see the same values on the aircraft ILS indicator. You can exercise the localizer and glide slope using the buttons or the app or by just pressing Auto.
That's great, Kerry, but let's say the ILS indicator isn't working. Is there a way to show that with the ARTS?
Great question. The ARTS has a built-in test report indexed by tail number, so you can just take a picture of the faulty aircraft indicator and add it to the test report. You can print or email the report to your customer.
But what happens if I'm a new technician and I need a refresher on how to do an ILS test?
We have built-in tools just for this. If you press the training button within any test, you can access the operator's manual for the specific test, or you can watch training videos on how to perform the test.
This looks really easy to use. One of the common problems our customers face is making sure the aircraft test antennas are aligned properly. Sometimes our customers go through an entire transponder test only to realize that the antenna is misaligned. Do you have anything for that issue?
We have a built-in alignment tool that you can use before starting a transponder test. The tool gives you feedback so you know you're all lined up. Let me show you how it works. After you've set up the test parameters, you hit Start Test and then Run Tool. You can adjust the antenna at this point to make sure you get a good signal. Once everything looks good, you can start the test.
And how long does that take?
Well, the ADS-B test takes about 2 to 3 minutes to run. Once it's done, you can see all the results in a test report. And again, you can print, save, or email that report out.
Thanks so much, Kerry, for walking us through those tests. I know our customers had a few questions that we wanted to make sure we asked you guys while you were in town. Can you tell us where we can download the app for the ARTS-7000?
The Laversab Aviation app is free download on the Apple App Store. You can even use the app in demo mode without having the unit in front of you.
How often does the ARTS-7000 need to be calibrated?
The unit needs to be calibrated annually. You can send it to any Laversab authorized service center. We have several around the world.
Is it true that you can connect the ARTS to a Laversab air data test set?
Absolutely. This is a great feature if you want to control both test sets from one iPad. We have the altitude monitoring test where you can put altitude on the aircraft through the pedostatic system and read out the transponder altitude values. It really simplifies the FAR and 91.411.413 tests.
If I buy an ARTS-7000 with NavCom and transponder capabilities today, is it possible to add additional capabilities in the future like GPS, ARINC 429, and RAD-ALT later?
The ARTS is upgradable both through software and hardware. We have regular updates to the app, so you can get the latest and greatest features. And if you need to add more capabilities down the line, like the new features mentioned earlier, a Laversab authorized service center can help get those capabilities installed.
Well, Kerry, thanks for coming by and showing us how easy it is to use the ARTS-7000. Pilot John has these units in stock and ready to ship today.
Well, we appreciate you having us. Thank you very much.
No problem.